Here it goes.
Hey everybody, look what we're eating. It's called noodles.
That's what's called top ramen.
Yeah.
That's weird when I eat.
Mm. Look what I can do. Wait, is it? Wait, I need to face this way. Sorry.
Sorry about her butt.
Wait.
She's doing what's called a.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my gosh! Oh, you are so cute.
I'm okay. Did I do it?
Mm.
Oh, wait, let me try
No,
again.
I want to show the proper way.
Ew! Hurry up, they're looking at your butt.
And pose. And pose.
Ta-da!
Okay, back to eating.
Nuh-uh. Next slide to my pose. Oh, no!
You did it.
I did it. I like my soup. Gosh.
It's not sick. I wonder why they call it ramen. I have allergy.
Let's eat up close. Why is there gum on my
Show them.
There is gum in my ramen.
It was her gum.
Yeah.
It's not ramen, it's ramen.
Well, I call it ramen because it sounds.
What time does your mama live at home? This might make you hungry.
Yeah. If it does, don't be afraid to email us.
And if you want the recipe or where to buy this very good top ramen,
I think they know where to buy it.
like Publix, Target,
Target has ramen.
the food Target.
Really?
Mhm.
I didn't even know. Boy, am I stupid.
Costco. Costco, you can get like 20 million.
I can make you guys laugh. Okay, watch. I can speak well. Ooh. Wait. No. Wait. Wah! Wait. Maybe it's humpback. Wah! Wah! Wah!
This is good.
Needs to be a little more slimier.
Don't be afraid to eat. Do not be anorexic.
What's that mean?
It means
Ow. My bad.
to be skinny.
Oh.
That's not funny.
That's what you think.
Yeah, the audience may think that. But please, please leave a comment.
No. I'd be perfectly fine with that.
She's in love with the Jonas Brothers.
I'm in love with one of them.
Yeah, and that was Joe.
Ah! I don't like Joe.
You like Nick.
Yeah, I like Nick. I like.
She's 6.
Yeah, 6-year-old being a member of YouTube.
Seriously. Her name is Connie Talbot. Oh, wait. This is what you do. Type in Connie Talbot, and then if you see a song, I Will Always Love You, that is a 7-year-old singing. She is amazing.
I'm gonna go do that.
Okay, and you guys will hear her on the video thing, on this video.
What did you type in?
I'll do it. No. Connie Talbot.
Am I clacking too much?
Yes! Isn't she cute?
Oh my god.
She's the cutest. Okay, this is her singing.
Wait.
This is a 7-year-old. Isn't she good?
So I'll go, but I know I'll think.
Wait, I want to skip to the best part. I want to skip to the best part.
Shush.
First I wanna skip to the best-
Shush. No, guys, this is my favorite video ever. Wait. These guys are so cool.
You got me.
Like you know who I am, but you don't. You got me on my toes. Come on now. I'm slipping into the light, and I'm trying to forget.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Eat It.